Uniform circular motion. So what is meant by circular motion and what is meant by uniform circular motion? Circular motion is nothing but the motion of an object is said to be in circular motion if it is moving in a circular path. So what does it mean by uniform circular motion? If the speed of the particle in a circular path remains constant, then the motion is said to be uniform circular motion. That means the magnitude of velocity remains constant, but the direction of velocity keep on changes. So if a particle is moving in a circular path, then what happens? Of a radius of r, at any instant the velocity direction will be tangent to that point, and the next instant the magnitude of velocity remains same, but the direction of velocity will keep on change. So where v is the vector, you can understand the magnitude remains constant in all the cases. That means the length of the vector remains constant, but the direction of velocity will keep on changes. In such motion we call it as uniform circular motion. So there are so many examples can be given. One of the example is the motion of the ceiling fan. So once we fix the speed of the ceiling fan, it will keep on rotate with a uniform speed. The other one is the motion of a shaft in a motor. Once the motor is on, the motor shaft will rotate with a uniform circular motion. And another example is the motion of the hands of the clock. So even the hands of the clock also will rotate with a uniform speed. So the speed of all these things remains constant, but the direction of speed will vary instantly.